Alright everybody, I'm going to make another episode of Scrapping with Grandpa. And my grandson and I, 14 years old, trying to get him out of trouble, giving him something to do at least once or twice a week. So you'll notice this is a brand new channel, and something I did with my dad back in the day. Today's project is going to be how to tear apart, or at least what can you get out of a torn down compressor. If I was to bring this compressor to the scrap metal place, probably weighs less than 100 pounds, probably going to get just a couple dollars. So this will be my first time tearing one of these things down. I'm going to tear it apart, take the copper out of it if there is any, take the aluminum out of it, take the brass out of it, whatever there is, separate it and see what I can get on this thing by splitting it up. So check it out. Here we go. Let's take this thing apart. Huh? Oh. Alright, so this is it. Dewalt. Old Dewalt, 200 psi pressure. Looks like brass to me. Find out what's under that button. Got some motor stuff down here, it looks like. We'll take this apart. We're going to find out what's in here and what we can get out of it. And looks like there's some aluminum on here. This looks like cast aluminum, I'm guessing, but if it is, we'll save that. So here we go. We're going to get everything off of this thing that's not made of steel. And you're doing it the first time as I am. All aluminum, brass. Getting ready to turn them out. A couple gauges, not much there. Just getting to it. Dang. Here, in there. Yeah, better get a wrench on that. Solid brass, except for a little piece of metal inside. We'll save that. Get out of there. know how to get it out of there, so I've been kind of beating on it a little bit. Just like that box. Just keep getting it out. So, get rid of the box. Get off of there. What's in this thing? Oh, cockroach. I saw a cockroach. Get off of there. Oh, look at that. It's got a piston in it. Piston right there. There. Alright. Scrap metal. So we know we got a scrap metal there. Couple tires though. Might be still good. This is the part I've been waiting for. Let's see what's in here. This is the golden box. Alright, start with plastic on this thing. I don't like it. Get out of there. Oh, look at there. This, that goes around and around and around. Look at that. So now you know how your compressor motor works. See that? Oop, cut myself. That got it. So this big old heavy duty wheel spins. Spin, spin, spin. Up and down, pumping it up. That's aluminum though. I'm taking this thing off. That's aluminum. See how hard that is to get off when it's moving like that. So what we'll do is take something, put it in there so it won't turn. I just did see something a minute ago. That could be pretty much anything. Pretty much anything. There we go. Oh, look at that, another cockroach. Daggone it. Where's this thing come from? Oh. We don't want blood on the show. No blood on the show. Alright, tighten her up, see what we can do. Come on, baby. Alright. Probably ain't doing nothing but bending my wrench. Yeah, about right. Come on. No, ain't bent it yet. You don't want to come out of there. Well, that's just a little cheap ass belt on there. I got to get that off. One way or the other. brass. More brass. That other piece is very difficult to break off. But somehow it's got to come off because I want that piece for the aluminum, and if it goes with steel, you're going to give me junk price for it. Solid piece of brass. Piece of plastic right there. Pressed. Wow. That is one tough piece of plastic. Wow. Thick. It's coming off here. I don't know. It ain't coming off. That melt off. Get over there. Oh, it's a big spring in there. Spring loaded. Beat it that much. Don't know, Sam. I'm gonna get rid of that. Brass. Brass fitting, brass, aluminum, it's aluminum right there. There we go. It's a big old piece of brass. I ain't gonna leave that. There's even a piece of brass on that. Try that too. Don't throw away an air compressor. Look at that. It's a big old piece of brass right there. Save that. We're going to try to figure out just what you do get out of these things. I think the next thing to do is find out how to get this engine off of here. What's going on? What we got here? There we go. Okay. Get over here. I got work to do for you. Damn right. Cut them off and get the brass out of that. I'm going to break that out and get the brass out of that. This is all aluminum. The casting aluminum. It's got a big old motor on it. I'm going to take this motor off somehow. What we got to do? Alright, let's see what this thing's doing. Bigger than that one. Come on. Oh yeah. I don't know what we got there. Copper. Come on. Oh yeah, solid copper. Solid copper. That's that. Now, we got this shaft right here that's full of copper. All we have to do is get it out of there. My best guess is I would use a hammer. Hit it a few times. See if she'll pop out of there. Come on, baby. Come on to Grandpa. Come on. Come on, Grandpa. Oh yeah, she's coming. See it. Get rid of this right here. There we go. Ooh, look at me now. Look at me now. Grandpa, scrapping Grandpa. Uh-oh. Grandpa can't get it here. Beat it with a hammer. There we go. Look at her. All cast aluminum. Cast aluminum. Cast. Got a little screw I got to get out there. Scrapping with Grandpa. Look at all that. These are really hard to get the copper out of. Really hard. I guess I'm gonna have to melt it. Just don't know any other way. I'm gonna melt that. I'm gonna put that in my smelter and let the copper drip out of it. That's all I can do. So, what I get? Oh, let's see. I got some cast aluminum. Quite a bit of cast aluminum. I got a nice motor here. Nice motor, weight, whatever, with some copper, some cast, some more aluminum, some more copper with cast in there. Got that. Got some brass fittings, smaller ones, a couple bigger ones. 1, 2, 3 brass. A whole bunch of other little small items. Little smalls, but they all add up. And then this big piece right here, which I'm gonna have to take this apart some more. I'm not finished with this. I'm gonna get all this aluminum off of here. Anything else that's not aluminum, I'm gonna get rid of, even if it is with a hammer. Done. Let's see what we got here. more I take it apart, the more it's worth money. This is junk. There's so much steel on it, they'd probably just give me steel prices. I don't like that. There is definitely more aluminum that I can get off of this thing that'll turn it into more money. And I'm all about maximizing. Come on, man, I need to quit bleeding here. Maximizing my profit. There's not a lot in it. So if you do scrapping at all, you know there's not much money in scrapping unless you got large quantities of it. And I'm just starting, so I don't have large quantities of it. Of course, I don't even know if this part of the video will make the cut. It might be just fast forward and a lot of squiggly sounds. Brand new channel. Maximizing, scrapping with Grandpa. How to maximize your money. It might take a little bit more time to take this apart, but if you have time, hell, I'm semi-retired. If you have time, then it ain't nothing but time. I got the time. Enjoy doing it. Just take things apart and make sure I get the most out of it. Because that compressor wouldn't bring me much money the way it was. I'll get faster at this stuff too as soon as I get some more tools. I gotta get more tools. Get me some socket wrenches. More like these actually. That might even been the one. Look at that. Could probably put that right on my drill. Let's see here. There we go. I don't like that drill. Loosens up too easy. What have we got here? We have, not sure what that is, whether it's cast or what, or stainless. Nope, it's not stainless, it's got rust on it. Look at that. So that's scrap metal right over there. This is, at least it appears to be, all aluminum. Let me see if I can figure it out. What we got here. What we got here. Not that one. What is this? Got here. Ooh, it got away from me. Put that in a pair of pliers. One of my fingers are all tore up. Pure piece of aluminum. And my guess is, looks like number 1 aluminum here. This looks like it might be number 2 because it's cast. But it might be a solid piece. So we're working on a pile here still. We still got the wire here. About. Matter of fact, I don't even know where the rest of the wire is. They might already cut that off before they gave it to me. Let's see what we got here. Let's get this wire off of here. Another piece of wire. Another piece of wire. I'm not going to be able to get that off. That thing is on there. Try one other way. Here. One other way. If you can see this here. Oh, there we go. Well, that might be the wrench I need. It is. It's the wrench I need. This wrench I'll put in between. Man, I wonder if that thing threads the other way. Am I going the wrong way? Somebody tell me. I'm going the wrong way. That sucker ain't moving. So, you know what you do? Something like that. Because I can't get that stuff off of there. And I want it. I want it. I'm going to take every bit of it off just like this. All I can get off of that thing. Other than that, they're not going to give me much money. I'll get whatever that weighs in steel weight. And this way I get cast aluminum weight. So, there ain't no sense in giving them anything. I'm not giving away anything. Come on. I know I can get more than that off of there. Come on. Yes, sir. Show me the money. About all I'm gonna do. Alright, that's what we got. Scrap metal. Over the fence. Not bad haul. Not a bad haul. Alright, so that's basically what we got from that. Get this camera off of here. Whew. Now we got the scrap metal, a little bit lighter, but we also have cast aluminum, and I broke it into pieces to get the most I could out of it. Little pieces, then I'll melt that down, get the copper out of that. My wife's calling me, I better answer the phone. A little bit of that, another motor here. That'll be nice. And some more aluminum. And some brass. Nice little bit of brass. What's this here? That doesn't look like much. Looks like brass on the inside, but it's probably not, just oil. A little bit of brass, so yeah, hey. Oh, this part too. Got the cover part right here, so yeah, I think that's a good haul off of a compressor. We'll find out. We'll separate it into my metals. I'll be cutting these off and see what we get for it.